What's up, guys? We're live in Elite. We're doing the 3-spot random for both group breaks yesterday. So we're going to go live right there. Just touch it. 9:35. Live right here. 9:35. It's 9:35 here in Denver. We got both lists. That's for group break, or that's for the first case, and this is for the second case. So we're going 3 times on each list. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Charlie Mack with the 3-spot $50 giveaway for the first group break. And for the second one, good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Marty for the second $50. Done. 9:36. Done. 9:36. It's 9:36. Both lists were ran 3 times. Charlie, Marty, congrats, guys.